is it that most businesses, small businesses to be specific, are struggling to embrace AI? It's all about the attitude, the learning curve. When AI hit the scene back in 2022, 2023, OpenAI releases the language model to the world, right? Free LLM. But still to this day, I ask business owners, what's ChatGPT? And it's crazy because the look on the faces, I haven't embraced it. What is ChatGPT? And it's at that moment that I realized once again that there's so much misunderstanding or no understanding of where to even start with AI. And to be quite honest, this is concerning because the future of small business is relying on this one tool. So learn AI, go full throttle, and reach out. AI rocket ship.